Religion played a very important role in Roman weddings, from patrician weddings all the way down to plebeian weddings. Romans believed that gods such as Venus, Cupid, Concordia, and even their household gods oversaw weddings. It is common practice for an augur or a haruspice to read the omens prior to a wedding. Depending on whether the omens are favorable or not, the wedding date would be confirmed or moved. February and May were particularly unlucky months, which were usually avoided in wedding planning. The augur would use a letis to divide the sky and read the birds or omens. The haruspice would inspect the liver of a sacrificial animal to determine whether the omens are good or bad. The haruspice was important in the most formal patrician weddings, in which it would inspect the entrails of a sheep during the ceremony. Also, during patrician conferentias, the far, or religious cake, would be eaten, which is considered a religious symbol and a binding action. During most ceremonies, a pig was usually sacrificed by the new couple for the gods to ensure the fertility of the new marriage. A sheep was also often sacrificed and skinned. The sheep pelt would be draped on the wedding couch shared by the new couple for the following dinner. The sheep pelt would also be kept by the new couple as a rug in their new home.